Hey guys, here's a video of a nitrous upgrade and some testing we did before our California trip, where we went and picked up a sweet SVO Mustang. If you haven't watched it, be sure to go back and check that out. So we swapped out the mainline kit for an assassin kit and hope to go 9. Alright, shut up. How much are you expecting to pick up with this new nitrous kit right here? How much? A good amount, hopefully. So what? Come over here and show me what's the difference between these two nitrous kits. These are what, the solenoids?
Yep. So this is the old nitrous solenoid, right?
Look at that.
This is the new nitrous solenoid.
So you just got a little bit thicker.
Yeah, exactly. Type shit.
Like I'm thick. And then that's the only difference. And then this is your nitrous plate. It's way bigger. And then your lines are bigger too, or no?
Yep, from 4 feet to a 6 feet.
So everything's just bigger. This turd right here. It's already got the carburetor off. My bad if you hear the fan. It could be really loud. It's behind me. Got the carburetor off. Ready to put the new plate on. And the solenoids. And then, how do we feel about some possible nitrous hits today if you get it done, depending on what time?
I'm probably going to need some more fittings. So.
Some more fittings? So it might not even get done today because Ace is closed.
Yeah. Probably not.
Type shit. What happened?
She pulled up right here and shut off in the starter. Here.
Starter took a poopy.
Do I just go run it?
What'd you run?
1250.
1250. So she wasn't all.
I mean, it's going quick enough. You can run it now. We can back over there.
Were you all the way on it or no? Out. This guy. Brakes touching. After a couple good NA passes, it was time to turn on the kit. First pass was decent and had a good 60 foot, but had something weird going on mid-track. What? Are you edging us right now?
I forgot to fill the fuel cell.
For real?
Yeah, so it was.
I was like, did he just
Did you hear
let
it
out?
surging? Did you?
Yeah.
Whoa, 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 whoa! That wasn't me.
I was
That
like,
was the fuel pressure safety cutoff switch, because I forgot to fill the fuel cell. So it was like it hasn't been filled since the last time we
how did it feel though?
had it out, and freaking it left good. I didn't even see what the 60 foot was.
How did it feel? Show me. I thought you were edging us. I was like, bruh.
145 60 foot.
Is that great?
That's really good. That's the fastest it's ever been. I think it's been like a 148. I mean, it left like an animal. And then it's like, whoa, whoa, whoa. It's like,
Okay, bro. Stop playing, bro. Come on.
come on, what? What do you want me to do?
Fill the fuel cell or whatever you say, bro. I'm trying to see 9 seconds.
You got
Bro,
time?
what was that? 10.8? 10.5?
10.8 at like 90 miles an hour.
At 99, bro. What is it? What was it? Mile per hour, like on your 10.5 pass?
127.
Bro, what?
Yeah, but that's why you have stuff like that. Because if it didn't have that, I probably would have blew it up just now.
That's good. That's crazy, bruh. He didn't fill his fuel cell.
Oh, really? I was like, what was that? No,
You heard it surging? Yeah.
and then I was like,
I forgot to
I
fill
was
it.
like 1080. I was like, yeah, look at the mile an hour, 99 miles an hour.
145 60 foot. I mean, it left like an animal.
Did you get a video?
I gotta go do this, that mega, snap the axle
Oh, really?
in the burnout box. I gotta go freaking drag them up and then put them in the trailer. Oh, where's the keys?
Let me get my
Escalade
logo.
keys. All right. You want the Escalade keys or no?
You're going, Nick?
Fine, I'm gonna follow you up there right now.
Okay. All right, bro.
Quick intermission on the Fairmont to save somebody else on the track.
That's all right. Hey, that's all right. That'll work.
After assuming we had a fuel issue, possibly low on fuel in the nitrous tank, we checked it out, fuel was full, and everything seemed good, so we decided to make another pass. What happened? Is it hurt? Dang it, not again. We found out it wasn't low on fuel or the cutout safety switch. It was actually the nitrous fuel pump going out. Sad day. I mean, it has been in the car for 2 years, so it is what it is. Well, I guess the motor's coming back out for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th time. That's drag racing though. Half the time it's racing.
They really said
the
you couldn't
other
run it again?
half's a drag. That's lame, bro. And you didn't even get your 9-second pass. How bad you want it? Cause I know where a C4 is.
I was gonna park it here and have you guys give me a ride too, and I should have did that, but I was like, oh, I'll just drive it.
So I was like, well, he's like, it's way too fast. He's like, the year of that car and stuff, it can't be faster than 1150 without a case. He's like, at least needs a 6-point. And he's like, it's just getting way too fast. I've been watching it, I've seen it. Like, you could tell when he was watching that. Like, I seen him watch the last pass, but when you watch that pass, you could tell how he was like slouching on the wall. Like, Kenji was right there filming, and he's like, yeah, he's like, that car, yeah, tell him, come see me at the tower. He's like, it just needs at least 6 points. So he's trying to keep it nostalgic. He's got plaid interior and stuff.
Yeah, if it's hurt, I'll just put it back together.
Okay, so after all that, we're just going to get it back together and get it ready for Sick Week 2025. That's right. We got our tickets locked in, so we need to get on this ball and get it ready because after this night, we're way behind. Bro, that's expensive.
$12.28 or something?
Everything on this car is expensive, buddy.
Bro, imagine how hard that would be,
folks,
though. As you can see, nitrous minus fuel equals very bad. Why does this feel like deja vu? Thank you all for watching it. We really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe and share. Thank you. If you like this video, check out the other ones on our channel here and here.